Hello, everyone. I'm Ethan Chu from Moldex3D Technical Support Department. And today's topic, I will introduce what's new in Moldex3D 2021. Okay, here's outline. And we will split the topic into 4 pieces. The first is solver capability. And second, I will introduce our new molding innovations, including new manufacture processes. And third, I will introduce our improvement of our studio, including the machine database and also material database, and of course the studio usability introduction. And in the last part, it will related to pre-post processor, and it will include many small enhancements. And if we have time, I will go through it quickly. If the time is not enough, I will skip this part, but I will provide the information in this document to you all guys. Okay, so before we talk to our topic, we will announce, as usual, we will announce our supported platforms. Okay, in Windows, Moldex3D 2021 is certified for Windows 10. Okay, and this is a new operating system from Microsoft. And about the Linux part, and we add CentOS series and also Red Hat 8. Okay, this is new. Okay, the first part I will introduce our solver capabilities. I will put more time on this topic. Okay, the first part is the first is the speed up. Okay, because we keep improve our calculation efficiency, and we also reorganize our internal data structure to allow parallel computing work well.